Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you receive error on your Instagram action blocked when you follow someone, so you have Instagram error following. So how you can fix it? So mostly it's just temporary block, so you just need to wait some time until Instagram will unblock your action and you will be able for following anyone again. So you need to wait mostly, but also you can try to fix it in another way. So just go to the settings and just try to use another network. So if you're using my Wi-Fi, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on Wi-Fi. So just change your network. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. Just tap on general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just restore your phone. Sometimes it also helps, and if you have another device, just try to log in into your account and try to follow someone in another on another device. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.